a quick pull off to the side of the road because, well, we just had to get some footage of this amazing view. The boys are still in the truck because we are not letting them out on this cliff, but you've got to check this out. It is crazy. Sorry to interrupt the video. I just wanted to throw this part in to let you know the camera is shaking so bad because I have a terrible fear of heights. I kind of wish I got that on camera, but I didn't. So sorry for all the shakiness. Just a little heads up. I was so freaking scared. I do not do heights, but gotta do it, right? I gotta get over fear. Anyways, back to this video. A little bit of a time jump between that last clip and what you're about to see. So we found ourselves at the Flying Flags Resort, and it's a really nice place, and we decided to just take the time to just relax. But the Flying Flags Resort was by far one of our favorite places to have stayed. It had an amazing cafe there with some great food and ice cream. Now the stay there was like $60 or $70 for a night, so we only stayed there 2 nights and ended up paying $140. But after being stuck in that forest for 3 days, we were ready to stay somewhere we could do a little bit of work, get a little bit of rest, and let the boys have a little bit of fun and take them swimming, and just to get them out of the truck for a little bit. Overall, we thought this was a fantastic resort, and if we come back into California, we definitely plan on visiting there again if we're near the area, because we really enjoyed our time there. Alright, we are at the West Coast and we have finally made it, and it is amazing. It has been over, I think over 2,000 miles or around 2,000 miles since we left Nashville, and we are just having a blast doing all of this. The coolest thing about this all has been just the weather as well. It's actually really surprising because today it's only 64 degrees outside, whereas yesterday I think the high was like 95. So crazy weather just here on the West Coast. It's almost the equivalent to Tennessee, except for people are still getting in the water here, and it's just absolutely amazing. We still got a little bit to go. We're actually making our way to Sacramento, and we're still a couple hundred miles away, and we're finding out that a 2-hour drive in Nashville, it would be a 4-hour drive with a camper, probably 3-hour. But in California, add another 2 hours to your drive, and that's about what you're getting, because it is mountain after mountain after mountain. I did not expect any of this, and especially with the with all the mountains that you saw us go through the other day that were just heart-dropping, to say the least. We did it. We made it all the way across the west coast, as far west as we can go. I think that means we get to kiss. Yeah. This has been worth all of the trouble that has gone on with the RV. From what all has happened? Oh, our tires at first. Then we had to crawl through the baseboard because we locked ourselves out of the camper. Let's see. We ran over the cord to.
We didn't run over the cord. We drugged the cord.
We drugged the cord
for like 5 miles
through mountains. So we had to get a new one for our. For that. What else have we done? Our shower came off.
Well, that.
Yeah, we've had a lot happen, and this has been worth every bit of it and worth every mile. So chasing the life we love, for sure.